Hello everybody, EP8 here for yet another video. And guess what? Cratlemungus says he wants to talk. And now for his first words.
Mama! Just kidding, sup yo, my name is Cratlemungus, the end.
Okay,
now let me take over your show.
Nah, it's my show. We're going into the volcano. We're going into the volcano,
I like
mate.
This level, actually.
To incinerate you.
You mean you?
Nah. It will be the other way, Cratlemungus.
Whose perspective is this you from?
The fans all agree that I'm better at the game. They probably don't if they've seen all the videos, but I'm good.
Well, you're the star of the show, right?
I've gotten a few wins.
AKA none.
No, I have gotten a few, right, Cratlemungus? Doesn't matter, there's still no points.
Time for the traps. I like how, like, on the first round the game was like, oh, okay, make it possible, and then the second round is throws all the traps at you.
Yeah, totally. Oh wait. Oh, wrong person.
Did you think that you got this?
Yes.
Yeah, you did. I can tell.
You always put them in the worst spots.
Worst for you, not for me. Muhaha.
Oh no, those things.
I'm not really a fan of these things. Yeah, we'll put it there. At the very end.
Idea. Oh wait.
No,
yay!
Did you forget the sticky? Ah!
Oh,
I was gonna go on the fire hydrant. Yeah, like that.
Alright. What? My jumping!
Yay!
What happened with my jumping? This is like
What happened with your jumping?
I don't know. It was like this is like Mount Doom for Lord of the Rings. Except Doomer.
I haven't
It's Mount
read that
Doomer, everybody. It's Mount Doomer.
Doomer?
Yes, it's Doomer.
Doomest. Well, it's going to become Doomest. It's Doomer. No coins. No coins.
Yeah.
We're homeless.
Alright, this should.
Is there any sticky
This is why I need to get the wrecking balls. But those spike things don't need. Because every time you get your hands on a wrecking ball, you put them in the most obscure places.
God. Put this there. No, I'm gonna get crushed!
Oh, now I see how you're supposed to do this.
Yes!
Oh!
No! I thought I was gonna get post-mortem! No!
I can't tell where you are. You just... That was weird.
I think we're reaching hardest.
Doomest.
Matt, I'm gonna do it.
No. Oh, you did it. It's too late. He did it.
Mohaha, Matt can't save the day now, can he?
I still can.
Oh look, one of my friends is playing the game. Yay.
Cratlemungus, they can't see it.
I know they can't, which is why I was telling you.
Oh.
It's a useful piece of information.
No! That wrecking ball. Wait, it's placed in the most obscure
Okay,
spot.
you've got underdog now. I feel like the underdog bonus should be higher. Oh no, I didn't see that! Oh, but wait. I'm waiting.
I am too.
Staring competition?
Don't do it. I'm trying to click new
Can't
mouse
do
button
that.
so I can place it. No, I didn't do it. No! Oh! I tried to click the mouse button so he placed it and I could blow both of them off.
Ah, Matt. Mattman XD. Oh, Matt, I'm gonna do that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that mean.
Aww.
I'm gonna go to this stick. Oh.
No, this volcano isn't.
Are you dead?
Yeah, this volcano, I don't like this one. And this is why
Another point.
And this is why in Loot Lake there should not be a volcano, because this is what happens.
You do not talk about this game in this house.
I talk about it. I even tried to do a video about that.
Oh yeah, I hate it. I hate.
It didn't even get released.
I hate Fortnite. Oh, sorry, I said it. What do I do?
Yeah, you make that clear. Put it in a friendly spot, and oh my god.
Where did I put it? Oh.
Yay!
I like my choices.
I don't like it. What? It still got me! Hey, but I got you as well. That's good. That's good. We're making progress.
Matt, we're both dead.
We're making progress.
Okay.
Now all I have to do is win. Should be a piece of cake.
Yeah, right. What was the thing that kills me? Oh, yeah, that. So
No,
I'm
the
gonna get rid of
grates.
this.
No, it's the grates that
Nah.
killed you. It's the grates that you placed.
I have a spring.
They're the opposite of great.
Okay, Matt, I'm gonna give you a chance. I'm gonna put it here. I shouldn't have done that. No.
Flower, punch him!
That was close.
Oh. You meant that was nice. You meant you placed that for you.
No, I placed it for both of us.
No, you totally didn't.
Can I start killing myself now?
No.
Matt doesn't want me to be nice. This is what goes on in this show. Sorry, is this a TV show or a YouTube channel?
It's.
Oh,
Alright.
forgot about
If-
that, eh?
You will not get the satisfaction of winning 100%. I won't allow it.
I don't know how this is gonna work.
Yes! Oh, I got
no.
the arrows.
Okay. I got the spring, yay! I'm just kidding, springs are useless. Also, I can't hear the music because Matt has headphones, but I hope that I'm cursor dancing to it at the right speed right now.
Let's see. I will place this right here.
Okay. I'm just gonna place this
3,
nowhere.
2, 1.
Nobody needs them. Ooh, I know you overjumped.
Now I feel like the arrows are gonna kill me the one time I'm doing well. Nah, there's a lava that killed. Well, no!
Okay, we're definitely in Doom.
Don't look!
Now.
Don't look! Ah, thanks.
Yay!
Yeah, when Cratlemungus talks, it gives him powers. It's a habit that he has. He talks and it gives him powers. He's probably chanting and a spell of some kind. Oh, I remember this level. You hated this level, but I loved it.
Oh no! Wait, have we done this? No.
Remember, it's the main frame.
No, not the main frame. The design is cool, but the level's terrible. Sorry, let me just make the first jump.
Yeah, and then you can go here.
I think that is like just right.
Why your
Oh
friends?
yeah, one of my friends are playing a game again.
It seems all your friends are online now. That
Oh,
I told you, talking gives him powers. He talks and he gets all his friends playing.
yeah, my friends.
Whoa, almost missed that. So
Go, my friends.
you see how it tracked the path?
Go,
Well,
my
now
friends.
that-
Keep playing Minecraft.
Wait, see how it tracked the path? Now those are blocks. Yeah, that's how this level's gonna roll.
Ooh. Goodness. Okay.
Alright, we need an extra platform if this counts as a
I
platform.
don't know if I wish you could blow up some of the green things or not. You know, I'm satisfied with this. I will blow up nothing.
I wonder how
But
we
maybe
even
the
got
background.
small enough to go into the computer mainframe. I think it's
Ah.
Wayne Solansky. You know the guy from what's it
Honey,
called?
sure.
Yeah, Honey. Yeah. Good movie that. Great film.
Or Matt, maybe did you think if it was the other way around, like the computer is massive?
Nah.
You see how the font's sort of wobbly? Maybe we're just in a giant jumping castle that's like a computer. You never know.
Nah, don't.
Ooh,
Oh, what's
time
the cool
stop.
clock? I
Yes,
love those
you-
things.
You can have the cool clock because I don't like cool clocks. I only like digital clocks because they display Bob.
Yes, Bob. When the time is
When the
8
time
past.
is 8:08, you scream like, "Oh hey Bob, oh hey Bob, oh hey
Yeah,
Bob."
yeah.
and
That's
jump.
how the.
I'm going up
tradition-
here. Whoa, no. I fell.
That's how
No!
the
Woo!
tradition we made works.
No! No, we both died by that. The slow, I fell like down the gap in the middle, but because of the slow motion, I landed there. But it doesn't matter because all that was for nothing as we both died at the end. Sorry.
Alright, here's the gate.
Is the gate?
Yeah,
What
the
gate?
gate.
I ain't
because the
seen
water
no
t-
gate.
Oh, come on.
I nuked it.
Dang.
Ooh.
I love the sound the koi makes.
Well, I don't because
Yes.
I can't hear it.
Yay, staircase to heaven, or
Okay,
the
Matt,
computer's
here's your
top.
gate. It's breakable though. It's a very fragile gate. It's probably used.
Oh yeah!
Are you kidding me?
Oh yeah,
No.
tomorrow time. Oh wait.
You will never get past my indestructible gate. Oh.
You mean destructible gate? Now I just have to survive that bit at the end. That's really. Yeah! Aced it.
The core look at you says Ata or Atto inside. I think that's an animal joke. I don't know.
At the computer, some places version in the computer at one spot says version 2018, which makes sense because this level came out in 2018,
Model 6.
which is this year. Alright,
What are you
this is
talking about? This game came out like ages ago.
no this level.
Oh.
Remember, it's like
Yeah,
new.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't die there that time.
Hey, what?
Did you put something up here? Yes, he did. I'm going back. Back down. Oh yeah, again!
Oh, again.
Again. Yes.
Oh, no.
Stop, Matt. Matt.
I feel like I'm
Matt,
gonna
too cocky.
die. That wrecking ball unnerves me. Well, unnerves me.
It's very above you. Just don't get blown too
Oh,
far.
you can go through that thing there.
Did you not know that? I think
Well, I
sort of
don't
forgot.
think you did.
Okay,
know that either.
I'm underdog now, even though I'm clearly a chicken.
I love time. I shall get the time stone if I love it so much.
Nah, that's gonna be useless.
Cause
I'll just do it
hashtag Avengers Infinity War is my favorite film apart from the Star Wars films,
No,
which are all obviously the best films.
like- should we teleport time?
I like time.
Time.
Yeah, I put 2 times, so time.
Do you like time?
Toy Time Galaxy from my top 10.
Yay! I love the song that plays there.
I also love how it stretches the screen and my recording system can handle the stretching of the screen. Oh.
I won!
Hello. Welcome back.
I nearly said that too early. Well, I did, but I did.
Oh, this is
win,
looking
'cause my
better.
dreams come true.
This is looking better for me than the volcano.
And this is looking worse for me, obviously.
Yeah, with the volcano, we don't speak about that in this house.
We don't speak about, thingy in this house.
Like, Cratlemungus is just easily one, right?
Exactly, easily, because it's easy. Easiness intensifies. Whoop.
Yep. Winning streak intensifiers. Excuse me, things.
Why do you keep
Cool
putting that
jump.
there?
Oh, I love the clocks.
Does it like respawn every time though?
No, it's just because
Yeah, okay.
I always pick the clocks when I see them. Like, they're obviously the best thing ever. And they make the
It's
screen.
not the best thing ever though.
Look,
You're
it makes the
winning way too
screen look
much.
so like cool.
I'd rather have a square screen than look at that.
Wrecking ball.
I came in like a. Oh, sorry, we're gonna get copyrighted. Alright, Yep.
People seen I'm blue double D double die without permission and they don't get copyrighted.
Probably because
As long
that
as you
song
don't
isn't
like say
copyrighted.
something that's like, oh it's mine or oh no I'm dead.
This mailbox is mine. Does that mean that song's copyrighted?
I don't know.
The mine song? Sorry, I don't actually watch that.
What? Oh no 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 no.
Don't worry, you're still winning by a lot.
Nah, this seems sketchy. Alright, I gotta play my next.
Sketchy.
Ooh,
That teleporter's been there for ages. I'm gonna do this because, I don't know, I mean or something. Nuke! Aw,
got it.
no.
Gotti. Now, I'll nuke something that you care a lot about. This. Nah, just kidding
Tactical
this.
nuke incoming!
No, it's only a small bomb.
Oh,
We don't need the big bombs.
the big
Oh, what? Are you actually kidding me? Are
Does
you
it look
that
like a
evil to
joke?
put that here? I meant there.
Whoa! The hockey puck was perfectly aligned with the platform I was standing on. I'm gonna watch your way.
Alright.
Oh,
Excuse me?
oh I'm getting wrecked.
Oh, no.
No!
Oh, no!
Oh, yeah!
No, no, no.
It's weird how the wrecking ball has a little...
Only 3 turns left. But that's still enough for Cratlemungus to win and stuff.
Nuke! Tactical nuke incoming!
Oh, no.
What did you put down? This? Or
Yeah.
this?
No, not that. I didn't put down that.
Yeah.
Oh. How did you know?
It's like when someone's like, who did this? And then someone immediately
Oh.
says, it wasn't me, and you know it's them.
Yes.
Okay, the green will block how I died.
Oh, what? Oh, no, the
did you
arrow
die
thing
by?
you put down.
Oh no!
Oh, yeah.
Your body was like blocking it.
Yeah, the tennis ball machine.
Oh, I would have avoided that.
Because tennis
I saw
balls
it
are
like the last
evil.
Hang on a minute.
Huh?
We can't make this.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Matt.
Yes. You can't destroy both of them. What will you do? I got a tip for you. Destroy both of them.
I can't.
No, destroy the one that you don't have to duck for. Yeah, because that one you can still kind of make it,
I might be able to
maybe.
do a duck jump.
Yeah.
I might be able to BLJ through it.
There was
You
a
never
bomb
know.
right here.
Oh! I didn't see that!
Oh, sealed
No!
up. Sealed up. I just sealed the victory royale. Oh, no.
This is like the last turn, right?
Yeah?
I can't do this.
Yay. That's like the point.
It's impossible.
Yeah.
And I died on that platform again.
Yeah, that's the point. Oh,
Ow!
all the things just destroying you.
Yeah. I
Oh,
landed
wait,
on
this
that
is the
platform.
last turn. Oh, no. There's still hope. There's still hope.
Nah.
Just kidding. There's no hope left.
I put nothing down.
Oh, great. You can still pass through the flower, but let's hope it doesn't come to that.
It's the last round.
And let me just
I'm
aim
allowed to do this.
Let me just... Perfect. Are you dead?
Did you seriously not see this?
Oh, no.
Oh, it's blocked!
Oh, yay! Oh, no! I just died.
It doesn't matter. Wait, even if I win, I can't win.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I was thinking you would get a trap point, but I placed the tennis balls down.
No! Who fell down there?
Oh, me.
Good
Yeah.
job, you noob.
Nah, I did it on purpose because I could see
Okay.
into the future, I think.
I can't get down here.
Oh, there's a spot right there. You can go down that path.
Oh, yeah.
But there's
Right.
tennis balls
Oh,
and
no!
yeah. Yes!
I was trying to wall jump, but it just fell.
So I think we could call this a fair session. Like, I got to win, Cratlemungus got to win, like, easily.
Get this out of the way. I don't want to see this.
Yeah, I
Mana.
win.
Also, we do this thing called rubbing it in, where we rub each other in the back.
Okay, ow.
You can probably hear that beautiful back sounds.
Alright, so that was a very good episode, and Cratlemungus, I bet, enjoyed this deeply, especially his volcanic victory. So, from XD and Cratlemungus, goodbye!
Bye, Cratlemungus.